Hey everyone, Aja here from Pandamonium. We're at the Cathedral Tree Trailhead. This one is only a mile long, a lot less than the one we went on last time, which was agonizing. Hopefully this one won't be. The cool thing about this one, it actually leads to the Astoria Column, which is a huge tower. I'll show you when we get there. Let's get going. So I think it's actually a mile and a half to the column, because you have to take this one, which is a half a mile. So, 3 miles round trip. That shouldn't be too bad. So pretty here. Wow, this place is awesome. Look at these itsy bitsy pine cones. They're just so small looking. Those are cute. Okay, so there are like a couple steep hills, and we have to go up 350 feet, but we're making it. There are a lot of wild berries around this area. Not sure what these are though. So this is the third steep incline. This one's not as bad as the other ones though. Oh, I spoke too soon. Here comes another one. Ooh, cool bench. Ooh, blackberries. Wow, there are tons of blackberries. Yummy. Keep on climbing all these hills. My legs and butt should be huge. Wow, look at this. This is amazing. Very mossy and woodsy. This is where the path splits. Hey, Moo-moo. And I believe this is where the big tree is, so we're going to take a look at that first and then head to the column. Well, there it is. Awesome. That thing is huge. That's cool. It's like a cave down there, hey? These roots are so big a person can fit in here. That is so neat. Wow, that's a pretty big tree. Time to carry on. Cathedral Tree, the way we were. Column, this way. The ground seems to get more wet the higher we get. Alright, onward and upward. Jimmy took the tree root around. There's a big puddle right here. Yeah, it's getting really wet up here. I like to splash through the puddle, so I'm going to walk through it. I know a mile and a half isn't that long, but when you're going up a side of a mountain and through woods, it seems a lot longer than it really is. Ooh. There's two paths, Moo-moo, one there and one there. I'm taking it the column is that way because that's the direction it was in, I believe. I think we should be there about now. I'm not sure. Like I said, it's hard to gauge. But it did flatten out there for a while, and now it's starting to go downhill just a bit. Right, Moo-moo? Up. Up. At least the path is shaded, and it's nice and cloudy and cool today. I do feel a little humidity in the air, or maybe that's just me sweating. Or glistening. Yes, I don't sweat. The hike to the column is pretty strenuous. There's a lot of uphill, but the good thing about that is that it'll be mostly all downhill. Ugh. Dang uphill. Ugh. We're almost there. I can see it through the trees right there, barely. So we just have this and a little bend. We made it. Let's take a closer look. This thing is really tall. It's awesome. They do let you climb up the column all the way to the top, and they have paper airplanes that you can throw off. They do charge for that. There is an overlook at the top once you get there. This is the site of the first community antenna television installation in the United States, completed February 1949 in Astoria, Oregon. That's really cool how they painted the column. The view from up here is amazing. You can actually see the bridge that crosses over to Washington. Washington is on the other side. This is the view from the other side of the hill. Isn't that amazing? Wow, look at that. That's just stunning. Definitely could just sit up here for a while and stare out. There was actually a column like this in New Orleans when I was visiting there, and it was over 200 stairs, and I did climb to the top. I have Moo-moo with me, and I'm not sure if dogs are allowed in, so I don't think I'll be climbing. There's a closer shot of the people up on the platform at the very top. Here's a closer view of the paintings on the side of the column. They did a really good job. It's beautiful. So there's a sunrise side and a sunset side. Here's some of the information. So actually it's a wooden glider. They sell them for $1. Get your glider. You can toss it from the top of the column. I'm not going to climb up the column, but I do want to take a look inside at the stairs. Wow, you can hear all the people climbing and descending. There is 164 stairs. So this is actually shorter than the one I did in New Orleans. Wow, it's pretty loud in here. The Astoria Column was completed in 1926 by the Great Northern Railroad and Vincent Astor's great-grandson of John Jacob Astor. So here's the tower. It's a long way up. In 1988, they started a foundation that helped with restoration because the column had been damaged with time. That's pretty cool. There's a Native American boat. Here's some information about the Lewis and Clark expedition, if you want to pause and read. Started in Illinois, and this was the route that they took all the way to the coast of Oregon, where we are now, and the border of Washington. And this is where we are right now. This is the Columbia River, leads out to the Pacific Ocean. So the Columbia River wraps around all the way around this way. There's the outlet to the ocean. There's more of the Columbia River. Seeing the blackberries, Moo-moo? Yeah, they don't look right.
No, they're too firm.
It's pretty busy up there right now. Someone just threw their plane off.
Yeah.
There it goes, down, down. It is all downhill. Another bearded Sasquatch tree. We decided to take another path that leads down just to see something a little different. The heck is that? That's weird looking. They're huge, the leaves. Wow. That's pretty cool. Things you find on a hiking trail. Here's an old propane cylinder, shot up. I guess they used it for target practice. Ooh, ripe blackberries. Oh, that one's ripe. Ooh, yummy. Well, that was sweet. Oh God, look at all of them.
They're not quite ripe yet, but some of them.
That was good. Lunch, anybody? That one is a little tart. Plants with the big leaves actually look like they have bamboo stems. They remind me of bamboo. It's pretty neat. A closer shot at the stem. Well, that was definitely a mistake. It was all uphill, curvy. That was exhausting. I thought it was going to be all downhill, but we took that different path and it went down. Now it's coming back around. And it's steep. Steep. Alright. This is definitely beautiful through here, but it is a bike path, so it weaves in and out. It was a worm. It was small, but it was a black snake with a red stripe down the middle.
Oh.
And it just squirmed into this bush. Where?
No?
No?
Under the green thing?
No.
Oh, I must have seen that.
Well, we're a little lost. We know where the vehicle is parked, but this trail has taken us off course. So we thought it was just a loop trail, but it is not. And there's other trails that veer off from this one. So hopefully we're in the right direction. We know we're going in the right direction by the map, but not sure when we'll hit the trail again. Oh God.
It's a Wookiee.
What's a Wookiee? Oh, the tree? Yeah. Sasquatchia.
Sasquatchia.
Oh my God, this path is
It's crazy.
going. That's why I don't like bike paths. They just go nowhere. They make no sense.
Look.
Oh,
It's
thank
the
God.
place we thought it would loop to.
Is this?
Yeah. This is where we're trying to figure out which way to go on the way up.
Oh yeah.
So this is where you thought, but it was like crazy.
I mean, God, that was weird.
We only we're like 50 feet down the path right now. We just did a huge loop out and came
Right.
back.
Okay, well then.
Totally added extra.
Hour on our walk.
Well, at least a half an hour.
All right. Back down the stairs. Just glad we found the main trail. Well, we made it back to the intersection, just a half a mile back to the vehicle. Well, everyone, we made it back. That was an awesome hike. Thank you for joining us today. Hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and onward bound.